and welcome to today's video. I have pretty long hair now. It has not been cut in all of lockdown. I haven't gone to get a haircut either because since I'm unemployed, haircuts cost money. So with that in mind, I decided rather than pay £15 for like one haircut, I bought myself some hair scissors off Amazon. We're going to be following Brad Mondo's tutorial of how to cut hair yourself at home. So yeah, let me show you my scissors first of all. So I got this set off Amazon. I will put the link in the description below. I don't know if they're any good. I've not used them. They were like £13 and this is what you get with them. Let me just show you. So they're really pretty, but it smells really plasticky. Like I'm not joking, like it literally stinks like a Wish product, like super plasticky. Anyway, so you get like these like fancy ones with like the weird serrated edge scissors. I don't want to touch those, they look scary. And then also these ones, which are just the straight ones, which we will be using today. I don't know what this is, and we have a comb because combs are useful, so that's good. And also it came with this thing. Like what is this? What is that? What do I use that for? I don't know, it came with it. And also probably the thing that smells, this weird brown like felt kind of fabric-y thing. Again, don't know what it's for. All I know is we're going to be using these today. So I need my phone to be able to watch Brad's video. Let me just go get it. Okay, right, I have everything I need. I've got straighteners. Are they on? Brad says you need straight hair. And I have these terrible old pair of straighteners, but we're going to use them. I don't really straighten my hair. I never really use heat products, which is probably good, but I actually did blow dry it today. He said dead straight, so we're doing it. Dead straight. Look at all that. Does anyone else have like just so much hair that comes out when they like wash their hair? Like all the time. I didn't bring a hairbrush, so we're just going to have to use the one, you know, the one comb that we've got here. I'll comb my hair out, that's fine. While the straighteners are heating up, I'm just gonna comb my hair out and I'll show you my split ends. I needed to do this for a while, and while I like going to the hairdressers, it's just not viable for me right now, you know? Like it's not something I'm gonna do. And I've got lots of like little bits at the moment. I hate it. Look at all this like, can you see all of that here? I've got so many baby hairs right now. But like this, a lot of that is all dead. This is what my ends of my hair look like at the moment. So it needs a trim. I don't know how long my hair is right now, but it comes all the way down to here. So I'm gonna go for like a solid inch or something, I think. Get rid of the dead ends and maybe give myself some layers because I'm pretty sure Brad does that in a video as well. So let's get into watching it. I've already watched this once before, so I know, actually twice. Just because, you know, why not? So I know that I need it to be brushed out. Beautiful. Okay, there we go. All of my hair can go onto the floor. I'm doing it in the kitchen today. I've never filmed a video properly in here. And I've got the little baggie of like small, tiny hair bands as well that Brad recommends. I've got those ones. How are you guys all doing? How are you doing today? Are you well? I hope you're doing well. Let's have a little conversation while this is happening. Have you guys ever been along to watch one of my streams? I stream on twitch.tv/WillyTricks. Every Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday at 7 o'clock. I'm currently starting my second playthrough of Witcher 3. Thank you to everyone who rewatched my last video as well while we're just having a chat, because I deleted it when I was drunk. I was trying to show my parents. I ended up managing to put it on like a YouTube queue, so I don't know what my phone was doing, but then it asked me if I wanted to delete it from the queue, or what I thought was the queue. I said yes. It turns out it just deleted my video forever, you know? I know what I'm doing. I'm so good now. I'm professional. Okay, he's already started this bit where you give yourself a mid part. So I'm gonna do that right now. Again, I can't see. I can't see. So let's do a mid part. Do you like being this close to me? I do actually have a mid part often, like every week. And then sometimes I'll have a side part. Just, you know, I just like to keep people on their toes. My hair doesn't like to be conformed to one place, you know. It wants to be everywhere. It doesn't want to be a mid part. It doesn't want to be a side part. It just wants to live its best life. Is that straight? Is that even straight? Is it even straight? Guys, I can't tell. There feels like the top of my head, I think. So I'm gonna take it from there. And where did he say? Go back, honey, go back. Oh, I think I did it. Okay, this one has not gone so well. He says to, my hair is so much thicker than the mannequin he's using. Oh my god. Okay, so I don't want to chop that much off, so we're going to pull it down. I want to take off a little bit, and if I want to take off more, oh my god, that feels like so much hair. I don't want to take that much off. We're going to go, no. Too much. He's already onto the back bit. Also, brushing my hair this much, I have so many grey hairs. I'm only 27. What is that about? Someone please tell me. We're gonna go for it. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be absolutely fine. Okay, how do I do these back bits? Look at how much of my front bit falls out. This is the face framing stuff.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Yeah, sorry about this, guys.
Hello, welcome to my phone because my camera ran out of battery. So right now what I'm trying to do is do the layering side of the video. And it's really hard because my hair is super long, I can't get to the end of it when I reach up. Okay, that's close enough, that'll do. There we go, Brad. I think that's exactly what he said for it to do. It would do that weird flop thing. And I think we then do like all the sides the same like that, you know? Wait, does he? I don't know, I'm gonna have to go watch again. I'm good at it. Oh no. I don't know what I'm doing. It's so hard. I feel like one of, you know, like from the Grinch, the hairstyle from the Grinch. This is what I look like right now. Oh my god. Why did I do this? Oh, this is giving me like the worst double chin of my life. This is not what I needed. I already have enough problems with that, man. Why is this a look? Is this just the lighting coming in from here? Is this golden hour? What is that? I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna cut some more hair. Let's just start here. Why not? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go my own way. I'm gonna take that much off because it won't come off the length. Okay, let's do the like. I think we're going this way. I'm gonna be a hairdresser soon. Choppy, choppy, choppy. I would be the worst hairdresser ever. I'm terrible. I'm really good with people, but like also bad with people. Do you know what I mean? Like, I've worked enough retail. I get annoyed with people now. Also, whenever I go to the hairdressers, I never know. Am I supposed to keep my eyes open? When you're like laying back in the, you know, in the sink and you say that you're comfortable, but you never are. And you just lay back there and you're like, do I keep my eyes open and just stare at the ceiling? Or do I like close my eyes and like pretend I'm in a spa and feel really awkward with my eyes closed because then I don't know when they're going to be like, you're done, like wake up, you weird person with your eyes closed. Like I don't know, what's protocol here? What do you prefer? If there's any hairdressers, let me know. Quite a bit off. It's quite a bit off, isn't it? Oh well, that's fine. Yeah, I just went to the hairdressers, sorry. Oh, where did you go? Yeah, I go to myself because we stand a queen who can do things herself, you know, DIY. What's the worst thing you've like answered the door in, you know? Like I feel like I've had to like chuck on quite a lot of clothes before. Like I'm just got out of the shower, mate, actually. There's not a dressing gown anywhere near me, so this is what you've got. And it's like a shirt and pants and just hoping that it covers me. Feather it, feather it. Ah! Don't cut yourself. This is it. I'm gonna unveil my hair. I feel like my layers are terrible and I could have done them shorter. But you know what? I don't know what I'm doing, so I feel like that's a valid excuse. Grab like these two, but like actually frame my face, you know? Can you tell that I cut it myself? Do I even have any layers? Is there like any layers up here? Like how long is that bit? I don't think I gave myself short enough layers, you know? Okay, I definitely didn't, but I think it looks okay. I think it looks really nice still. It's just a nice straight cut. I've not done anything too dramatic to it. Kind of looks like it all matches up. It's a little bit of short layers at the front here. It'll do. That's me cutting my hair. End of take. Thanks for watching, and sorry this wasn't as dramatic as maybe you thought it was going to be. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I look forward to showing you my next video, which is going to be me clearing out my wardrobe. Exciting. See you later. Bye!